On this channel, we have showcased a ton of coding agent enhancement tools that level up how they function and generate code. But now there's a new super agent framework from LangChain that can seriously supercharge any AI agent you want to create, whether that's a coding assistant or a regular AI agent. Whether you're working with a coding agent like KiloCode, Cursor, or something like Claude Code, you can tune it up and make it into an expert AI agent in any field so that you can get the best practices from that agent. This is where I'd like to introduce Better Agents. Better Agents is a CLI tool that sets a standard of building agents properly. It boosts your coding agent's capability or any agent that you create, and even helps you choose the right AI agent framework for whenever you're trying to build. Just take a look at Better Agents in action. It was requested to build an AI agent that acts as a bank customer rep. It supports and helps customers unblock their credit cards, view transactions, and even escalate to a human when needed. And once it was sent in with the prompt, Better Agents was able to trigger KiloCode as the main functioning AI agent to execute this task with full reasoning. Better Agents is orchestrating all of this and working with the AI agent to use the correct framework to get the task done. And the whole thing is getting built autonomously. It starts putting together a proper structure for the agent to use from scratch. It generates the tools, sets up semantic code indexing, and even runs automated tests so that you can see if everything actually works. It then loops back, communicates updates, and works with KiloCode to fix issues and keeps iterating until the entire agent is fully functional. You can see right now in LangWatch, it is testing and running different sorts of tests to see if it actually works. And within the Master Studio, the framework that it used, it was able to run the test of the agent actually performing a task like showing the latest credit card transactions. And you can see that it provides a list of that. Before we get started, I just want to mention that you should definitely go ahead and subscribe to the World of AI newsletter. I'm constantly posting different newsletters on a weekly basis. So this is where you can easily get up-to-date knowledge about what is happening in the AI space. So definitely go ahead and subscribe as this is completely for free. In essence, Better Agents is a CLI tool that is a set of standards that builds your agent the right way. It's something that will easily help you build from scratch with a simple prompt describing the agent that you want. And it works in a step by step structure, which you see over here. It is a better agent structure, which is scaffolding a full production ready agent project based off the framework that you choose, whether that's Agno or if it's Mastra. You can supercharge your coding assistant with KiloCode, Claude Code, Cursor, or any agent by giving it all the best practices and structures it needs to actually build the agent correctly. And it's super simple as to how it functions. It works on generating the standardized project layout, which you see over here. It creates the test and scenario with notebooks plus data sets to measure performance of specific parts like the RAG or the version prompts, as well as classification. It also has a prompts JSON file that it generates. This is essentially to have a registry to keep prompts synced. You also have an MCP JSON file that it creates with all the right MCP servers configured so your coding assistant can automatically know the tools that it needs and are actually available for future generations. And then you lastly have the agents MD file. This is for the best practices, the guide that will ensure everything is built, tested, and maintained properly. And with all of this, it will run the scenario test to confirm the agent behaves exactly how it should. It runs the evaluations. You can actually visualize it through LangWatch, and then you also have it so that you can coordinate with your coding assistant to fix issues. You can rewrite the code, update the prompt, or you can add in new functions to your AI agent to make it better. But with this whole flow, you have essentially a fully structured, fully tested, and fully evaluated agent that is generated automatically. So the reason why you would want to use this is because it's the best way to start any new agent project without guessing the right architecture. It forces the production grade standards from the beginning. It creates a simpler structure, and it also has built-in observability where you can automatically have it tested with different prompt versions as well as evaluations, which is something that most people skip when they're working on creating an AI agent. So in essence, it's more reliable, more maintainable, and it's ready to use for real world use cases. It's really, really simple to get started. What you just got to do is install the Better Agents packages onto your computer. So you can simply open up your command prompt and you just need to make sure you have npm installed. It's really simple. They have a link to install it. You just need to make sure you have Node.js 22 and above, which I'll leave a link to in the description below, and a coding assistant, as well as the API keys that you want to power the agent to work on creating your AI agent with Better Agents. So what you can do after having the prerequisites fulfilled is run the npm install command within your terminal. This will install the packages. It'll take a couple of seconds, and then you can have it initialized in a new project. It works best with any new project because it creates the structure properly from start. And I've actually switched over to WSL because I believe it's a better. And you can see that I have initialized it within my agents folder. Now what I can do is select the programming language that I want to use. I'm going to be using TypeScript. You can then choose the agent framework that you want to work with. So you can choose Mastra. In this case, that's the only one I have installed right now. So I can select that one. I can then select my large language model provider. I believe right now Anthropic's Opus 4.5 is the best for this. It's expensive, but you're going to get the best results. So you can choose that and then provide your Anthropic API key. Now, I set my API key and I'm personally going to be using Kilo Code, and I need to actually have it installed with the CLI. So I'm going to simply go ahead and do that. I believe it actually does it for you. So you can say, please install it for me. And it's going to install the Kilo Code CLI so that we can use it directly within WSL. Afterwards, you're going to need to provide a LangWatch API key. You can then also provide a Smithery API key, which is optional. I didn't provide it. Now you can describe what sort of agent you want to create. So what I'm going to be doing is having an agent help me track spending, manage budgets, and provide insights into their finances automatically. I've actually gone ahead and switched over to Claude Code because I believe it would function better with the Claude 4.5 being powered with it. And now what we can do is select the new MCP servers that you want to use within the MCP JSON file. So what we're going to do is select the lang watch one as well as the master one, and we're going to click enter. And you can see that it's now communicating to Claude Code to execute this task, that you're telling it that you are an expert AI agent developer. This project has been set up with better agents, the best practices. It is requesting it to follow the step-by-step plan, and it is going to execute this task of creating the better structure for our agent to be functioning better. So, surprisingly, it has finished it quite rapidly. It has created the file structure based off of the better agent structure, and it has also developed a front end for this personal finance agent. You have the alerts that showcases what sort of budget warnings are available, and you also have it so that there's budgets by category. Now, something cool that you can also do is that you have it so that you can chat with the financial assistant. So you can ask it many of these different preferred prompts, like what is your budget? And you're going to be able to get a response back that is powered by an OpenAI provider. There's also financial tips. There's also recent transactions. These are some of the things that we had specified for our agent to be developed with. And you can see that we have gotten the high spending day simulated. You can also escalate to an advisor, which is something that will be sent over to the financial advisor. This was an AI agent that was fully developed with the better agent structure. If you like this video and would love to support the channel, you can consider donating to my channel through the super thanks option below. Or you can consider joining our private Discord, where you can access multiple subscriptions to different AI tools for free on a monthly basis, plus daily AI news and exclusive content, plus a lot more. But that's basically it, guys, for today's video on better agents. Let me know what you guys think about this. I believe this is a pretty cool new tool that can enhance the development of different agents, not just basic agents like the one I created. You can do a lot more, creating better structured agents that is fully tested and ready to deploy so that you can get the best results from it. I'll leave all these links in the description below. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the second channel, join the newsletter, join our Discord, follow me on Twitter, and lastly, make sure you guys subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like this video, and please take a look at our previous videos so that you can stay up to date with the latest AI news. But with that thought, guys, have an amazing day, spread positivity, and I'll see you guys further shortly. Peace out, fellas.